You'll never think of apples the same again after this. First up, they keep your heart happy. Apples are rich in fiber, which helps lower cholesterol. Second, they're absolutely incredible for your gut. Third, they freshen your breath. Crunching on an apple stimulates saliva production, reducing bad breath. Fourth, they support your brain health. Fifth, they help with weight loss. Low in calories, but high in fiber. Sixth, they boost your immune system with a healthy dose of vitamin C. Seventh, they ease digestion. Apples contain pectin for healthier bowel movements. Eighth, they strengthen your bones. Ninth, they protect your lungs and reduce the risk of asthma. And 10th, they help fight inflammation. Subscribe for healthy, fun food facts.